The excavation of the canal for the Great Salt Pond renovation has begun. This is a long-arm trac-hoe that is digging the canal or channel. Note that he's left a small piece of marsh in the foreground that's holding the water back. From this side, the dirt, soil that's being stored on the right-hand side will remain there for a couple of weeks. This will give it a chance to dry out some before it's hauled up to the spur fields by the dump trucks. This canal will continue through the middle of the Great Salt Pond to approximately a location that is across from the campground. Here we have a view showing how this trac-hoe is able to work out on the marsh. They have these large, huge boards that they call mats that are connected together that the trac-hoe lifts and puts in front of it. Each mat consists of 4 to 5 huge timbers lashed together, and the trac-hoe picks them up from behind where it's going and turns around and puts it in front of it as it moves forward on the mud. This is looking at the trac-hoe in operation from the other side. I'm now out in the middle of the Great Salt Pond, and in the foreground you can see some flags that are pink. These pink flags designate where the canal will be, and that it will be at the deeper depth of approximately 4 feet. It's being dug slightly deeper than that because they'll be sloughing off from the sides once the water moves through it. Past the pink flags or white flags, which is where the depth of the canal becomes less, a little over 3 feet, and will again terminate near the across from the campground. Here we are standing in the Great Salt Pond Basin, showing the campground in the background. As we look from this side and pan across, the section in front of you will be the section of the Great Salt Pond that does not have a canal. In the middle of the picture here are a set of sticks, timbers sticking up out of the Great Salt Pond. This is the terminus of the canal. The canal will then proceed up through the middle of the Great Salt Pond, where the water's the lowest, and then up around the corner where the trac-hoe can be seen in the distance.